Hey guys, welcome back once again. I am Nikita and today our topic is BTech reality versus expectation. If you are a BTech student and if you are thinking to taking the admission in a BTech degree and IT sector, then this video is all of you guys. So our topic is BTech reality versus expectation. So many students think about college life is all about fun, coding, placements, and enjoying with the friends. But the actual experience can be very different from these expectations and reality. So here I telling you the step by step your questions, your expectation with the reality. So first expectation is the I will get great marks without much effect. Think कि बिना मेहनत के we are scoring much better in our exam, in our BTech degree. But reality in your BTech journey, like assignment and practical internal exams and deadline keep coming. We are confused in these sectors like assignment complete करना है, deadline आ रही है, complete होने वाली है, and internal marks, internal exams. So it's really very reality. I know everything because I'm graduated in from the BTech. So second expectation of the BTech. So I'll become a student thinking कि I'll become a coding expert in a few months. But what's the reality of this expectation? So I showing this कि for the coding expert in a few months it's not a easy task. कि learning coding with the consistency, practice and patience होना चाहिए as a student. If you have the consistency for your work and patience for your work, so I think it's good to like become a coding expert. So third expectation of a student is कि campus placement will be easy. I think according to me it's not a easy task. But every student thinking about this and it is a um who's to taken the admission in the BTech in the IT sector, they are thinking they are expert this ki campus placement will be easy, but in the reality it's not easy because in a campus placement HR required and the company are required these skills, projects and communication skill and preparation a lot. So now the fourth expectation of a student कि college life will always be fun. When I was in a first year, then I thinking कि college life is really very easy and becoming a funny with the friends, but in a reality, no, never. They are stressful. That time I was a stressful person and pressure of the assignment of the internal exam and the after that the main exam and practicals and after this balancing the our personal life with personal life of the studies. So balance करना is really very big deal in a BTech. degree, you know what? And the fifth and the last expectation as a student, if I students are thinking like I'll know everything about my career from the beginning. But what? Nah, every expectation is really very go in a wrong side, and reality is really very different from the expectation. You know what? So most students feel confused at the same point and learn step by step. You know what? These are the expectation during our B.Tech journey, and we are, I mean, as a student, are taking the admission in the B.Tech and the other IT sector. Then these are the many expectation, but reality is really very different from the expectation, like a mirror. You know what? And according to me, BTech is not only about marks and degree. It's not only about marks and degree. It's really about the learning skill, improving yourself, and making memories. You know what? And preparing for your future. So, share your experience in the comment section. So these are the some expectation and the reality of the if you are taking the admission in the Bachelor of Technology versus like a in a other IT sector. If you are agree these expectation and the reality factor, if you are already knowing about these expectation versus reality, then share your thought in the comment section. I am Nikita, and if you are watching this video till the end, then comment and like, share and subscribe this channel for the more content. If you are have any other topic in your mind, then write in the comment section. I figure out them and try to make the video on this topic. So thanks. Bye bye everyone.